Acquiring a business in Vietnam offers significant opportunities, but only if you know what to look for before you sign. Many foreign investors enter the Vietnamese market without a clear legal checklist, resulting in missed red flags, unexpected liabilities, and delayed integration. In this video, we share investors should follow before acquiring a Vietnamese business, ensuring compliance, clarity, and control from day one. Start by verifying the legal existence and corporate structure of the target company. This includes reviewing its enterprise registration certificate, charter, shareholder list, and historical changes such as capital increases or shareholder transfers. Confirm that the company was properly established and has maintained legal continuity. Pay attention to inconsistencies between official records and internal documentation, which could signal deeper issues. Check whether capital contributions have been fully paid by all shareholders within the legal timeframe. Unpaid or late capital contributions are common in Vietnam and can invalidate shareholder rights. Verify that all ownership changes were properly registered and that the current owners have legal title to their shares. Any ambiguity in ownership structure can create major complications during share transfer. Review the company's registered business lines and compare them with actual operations. Confirm that the company holds all required licenses and sub-licenses for its sector, including investment registration certificates, conditional business approvals, and operational permits. In Vietnam, failure to align actual activities with registered business lines is a frequent compliance violation and a major source of risk for acquirers. Evaluate all land use rights, leases, and property agreements. In Vietnam, land is state-owned and usage rights are tightly regulated. If the company owns land use rights, check the type of land, the term, permitted usage, and whether proper registration has been completed. For leased premises, review contracts, renewal clauses, termination rights, and landlord consent for assignment. Property-related issues often delay post-acquisition operations. Confirm that all trademarks, patents, software rights, and domain names are properly registered and owned by the company, not by individuals or third parties. In many cases, IP used by the business is registered under a founder's personal name or has expired. Verify that licenses, assignments, or transfers are in place and review any infringement risks or licensing obligations. Identify all key commercial contracts with suppliers, distributors, and customers. Review contract duration, renewal conditions, termination clauses, and change of control provisions. In Vietnam, many commercial relationships are based on informal arrangements or poorly drafted contracts. Clarify what contracts are critical for revenue and what obligations would transfer to the buyer. Counterparty consent may be needed for assignment. Check the full list of employees, contract types, and labor policies. Confirm that labor contracts are in writing and registered, social insurance is paid, and work permits are valid for foreign staff. Review bonus plans, collective agreements, and any disputes with former employees. Vietnam has strict labor protections and any irregularities can expose the buyer to claims or government fines. Conduct a search for pending, threatened, or past litigation, administrative penalties, or arbitration involving the company. Ask for copies of all demand letters, court decisions, and regulatory warnings. In Vietnam, many disputes are resolved informally or never registered with courts, so discussions with the management team are also necessary. Ongoing legal proceedings should be disclosed and evaluated for financial and reputational risk. Review the company's tax filings, audit reports, and financial statements for the last 3 years. Confirm that corporate income tax, VAT, and withholding taxes have been filed and paid. Check for outstanding tax liabilities or audit findings by tax authorities. Improper tax planning is a common hidden risk and can result in post-closing assessments or fines. In regulated industries such as manufacturing, logistics, education, or healthcare, review sector-specific laws and environmental compliance. Check for environmental impact assessments, waste disposal records, and permits from relevant authorities. Non-compliance in these areas can result in license suspension or forced closure. Verify whether the company operates in a conditional sector and whether foreign ownership is allowed. Some acquisitions require prior M&A approval from the Department of Finance or merger control filing under competition law. Legal counsel must confirm whether your acquisition structure is compliant and whether pre-closing or post-closing approvals are needed. At LTS Law, we support investors with full-spectrum legal due diligence tailored to the Vietnamese market. We identify red flags, assess regulatory risk, review all corporate and operational documents, and provide actionable recommendations. Our legal checklist is based on years of deal experience and helps ensure your acquisition is clean, compliant, and ready to grow. Before you acquire any business in Vietnam, know exactly what you are buying. Let LTS Law help you conduct legal due diligence that goes beyond documents, into strategy and security. Visit lts.com.vn to speak with our M&A legal team today.